Welcome to question number 23 from the June 2016 Geometry Regents exam. So this line we're given from A to B is actually a chord of a circle, and we're told that the distance from the midpoint of it to the center of the circle is 2 units. So if we zoom in here, the midpoint is where y is equal to -2. And we can find that by taking the average of the x or the y values, 3 and -7, right? So knowing that, and knowing that the distance from that to the center of the circle is 2 units, we have to conclude that the center is either 2 units to the right or 2 units to the left. So it could be here, in which case our circle would look something like this, maybe. Horribly drawn, my apologies. Or alternatively, if the center is 2 units to the left of that, then we'd be dealing with a circle that's kind of over on this side. Oh, I am terrible at drawing circles. Okay, in either case, we do know that we have 2 choices for the center of the circle. With that blue circle, the center is at 5, -2. In which case our equation would be x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared. Or the other potential option is that we're dealing with the purple circle, in which case we have a center at 1, -2. And then the equation for the circle would, in that case, would be x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared. So looking at our 4 multiple choice options, we can see that the blue equation is equation number 4. Equation number 3 is not possible, and the second one's not possible either. So now at this point, to figure out which one of these is correct, and those 2 differences is the radius of the circle. So let's figure that out. How do we find the radius of the circle? Well, in both cases, they're going to be the same. The radius is going to be found by using the Pythagorean theorem. So what we can do is create a right-angled triangle here, like this. And then this distance right here is our radius. You can visualize it if we were dealing with the purple circle, it would be the exact same value. In either case, we have a horizontal distance of 2, vertical distance of 5? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5. So using the Pythagorean theorem to find out that radius, we would be looking for the square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared, which is root 29. So in the general equation, you know where the right side of the circle equation is r squared. R squared in this case would be 29, because root 29 squared is 29. So option number 1 is the correct equation. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.